Assalamu alaikum, Hassan Bhai. How are you?
I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your time. And I'm here for the interview for regarding your profession and as well as your current business that we are sitting here. And first of all, could you please introduce yourself at the beginning of the video?
Yes, for sure. My name is Hassan Bhatt, and I've done my BBA from Bahrain University, and I've worked in my family business, fruit business, wholesale, and I'll deal in car. And yes, I have AB Fitness since 2 years, and that is my passion.
Great. I'm out of shape. Is your gym for me?
Obviously, sir. Our gym is for you, and we have a lot of experience helping people losing weight.
Great. I'm really out of shape and kind of terrified.
Okay, sir. Basically, we are Muslims, and we should never get hopeless. And I can give you 1,000 examples of all this.
I have had injury and medical issue. Can I still train at your gym?
Yes, but it depends on your injury, and I say that you should consult your doctor first.
Can I train at your gym if I am or have recently been pregnant?
No, I don't think so. But I must say, eat a lot and take rest.
I'm over 50. Is your gym appropriate for me?
Yes, sure. We have many members, they are above 50, and I think when you get old, you must exercise more.
Why do you use high intensity interval trainings?
I think it's all about passion, and if you have passion and if you are a fitness freak, you do it for sure.
Is 20 minutes really enough?
Yes, if you know how to do it.
Do I have to push hard every time?
Yes, I think you have to push your limits daily, and I think it's only you versus you.
Why do gyms stick to fundamental movements?
Yes, I think warm up is essential even before and after training.
How often do the workouts repeat?
If you asking for a muscle training, then I think if you do muscle training, do train your muscle twice a week, maximum.
Right. Can I come at your gym and work out on my own?
Yes, if you have passion, you can do. But I think if you want to do properly, then you should consult a trainer.
Do you offer personal training?
Yes, we have trainer available, but additional charges.
Of course. Will training at your gym help me lose weight?
Yes, I told you before.
Okay. How many calories will I burn during a typical session?
I give you an example. Like if you run for 30 minutes on treadmill on speed 10, you will burn 300 calories. Now you can calculate on your own.
Okay. Interesting. How many times per week should I train to see results?
If you're fat, do it daily, and normally do it 4 or 5 times a day. 4 or 5 times a week.
Okay. Should I expect to see immediate results?
Success doesn't come overnight, sir.
Alright. Will training at your gym make me bulky?
Yes, if you want to get bulky, it has a different diet plan and workout plans. So yeah,
It's possible.
yeah, it's possible.
What should I expect on my first visit?
Your first visit, I think on your first visit you should just
Observe. I think.
observe and learn around. Yeah.
Okay. What should I need to bring on my first visit?
Bring your towel, wear trainers, and yes, must wear body spray, please.
Alright. Can I do the intro class with a friend?
Yes, sure, why not? You're more than welcome.
Okay, thank you so much. What types of membership do you offer?
Our regular fees is just 1,500, and if you want to treadmill, then we charge 2,000 separately, and total is 3,500 only.
Okay, not expensive. Are there any initiation fees, sir?
Yes, 500 is the initial fees.
Okay. I travel a lot. Can I put my term membership on hold?
No, it's not a choice, sir.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you offer corporate discounts as well?
Yes, I'm a businessman, and I think businessmen should be flexible.
Great. Can I book more than one sessions a day?
Yes, you can.
All right. What's your cancellation policy, sir?
If you don't want to get fit, yes, I will definitely return your money back.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
You're more than welcome, sir. Thank you.
See you soon.